about that. I'll give you guys some access to it too. But really, really excited about this. Classic mode or guided mode. So guided mode is for when you're doing your market routine, your pre-market prep and stuff. What I recommend is keeping it on the right-hand side or left-hand side, like you would with any other tool. Do your analysis, and as you're doing your analysis, you're checking off your morning routine. You're finding that consistency. You're building that routine. You're building good habits. Is there any economic data coming out? Is there some type of psychology check, right? Do you have anything on your mind? Are you clear to trade? Then you go into your price levels, your bias, higher time frame buys, scenarios, write down what it is you're looking at. And then you lock it in. Very cool, very excited, finally live, and more updates to come with it. But that's dope. Always working on something, man. Gotta stay busy. What's up, Amity? Good morning. Doc, what's going on? What's the website? themorningmentor.com. themorningmentor.com. Hola, what's up, what's up? But yeah, it's cool, bro. Bro, setting it up, man, as it was something else, dude. All the back end shit you have to do was not ready. Oh, random's gone. Random don't care for it. That's fine. It's funny, man. You create something like that, and you get support, and you get people who are like, I don't know about that. I'm out. I'll be in more lives for show. Oh, awesome. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Cool, man. Nice. What's up, Amity? Good morning. Doc, what's going on? Ironclad Mirisa Hill, good morning. Hope you guys are all doing well. Let me see real quick. Yep, YouTube, we're chilling. Got a whopping 0 in there. Love to see it. That's crazy. Guys, good morning though. Guys, what a trading week so far. It is Tuesday. Yesterday gave us a whole lot of nothing. Today we were finally able to capitalize on a much nicer move here. Yeah, I'm excited. Guys, it's Tuesday already, by the way, so this Saturday is the start of the Futures Masterclass. So, I'm excited. I hope you guys will be there. It's going to be extremely, extremely helpful. If you don't have your spot already, it's in the announcement tab over here. You click sign up, or you click this link right here. Visit site. It brings you to my coaching website, which is also where the event is going to be. The event's going to be through Zoom. So when you buy the tickets, it'll send you like the Zoom link and things like that. It's going to be 8 sessions long. It is going to be every Saturday for the next 8 weeks, 6 p.m. Eastern to about 7 to 7:30. It will be recorded. It's the Masterclass 2.0, so it's going to be a bit more in-depth than the first one. It's going to have a lot stronger of a foundation. It'll be something that you guys will get on the first go around, but it's something that you'll really, really thrive with when going over it a second time, a third time, because it's going to be that well put together. I put a lot of time and effort into it. I'm even putting more time and effort into it this week to build it out strong for you guys. It's going to be phenomenal. So check that out. I'm also thinking of doing some type of game night sometime this week as well. Since I am web, I am... Oh, you can't do push to talk? Alright, that's fine, Ironclad. You'll talk in our spirit. Yo, XO, good morning, brother. How are you? Let's move this.
Morning.
Good morning, good morning. Yo, people on YouTube, I appreciate that. Appreciate that. It's probably just people from the community. Slinky, what's going on, Slinky? Let me get the share link for YouTube. Put that in our stream replays. XO, you missed it, but the Morning Mentor, it's live. If you go to themorningmentor.com, I have to get you guys access codes to it because I know you guys bought the first generation, so I'll get you guys access codes to it. If you didn't trade the first generation of it, you're going to get lifetime access. It'll bring you to a Stripe window. From Stripe, you're just going to fill out the information. Make sure that the contact details you fill out for the email, that it's the same email that you use for when you log in, because those are going to be connected. That's what gives you access to creating an account. But yeah, it's cool, bro. It's cool. Morning Mentor. Then when you have the account, you just go to login. and it'll have either, here I'll sign out to show you. You could either sign in with email and password, which again you would create an account once you get access through Stripe. There's a forget password option, and then there's sign in, continue with Google, which again brings you through your Google login. A lot more effective, a lot more efficient, and because it's web-based, you could view your charts and your journals anywhere you go. Version 2, send the link. I got you, bro, 100%. So the morningmentor.com is the current link for it, so that's the website, but I gotta send you guys, those who have it already. Yeah, I gotta get you, yeah, those who bought the first edition, I gotta get you guys the code to use it. For sure, because you still have to go through the whole Stripe route. I'll just give you like a discount for 100% off on it. But cool. And guys, if you're using it, I strongly would want you guys to give me feedback on it. Is there any updates you want to see? Do you want me to put more out about it? And also post it on social media. I want you guys to share it. Even if you think you don't have a big enough following, share it anyways. People will see it and be like, oh, that's pretty cool. One of my favorite parts about it, and what I'll start using more frequently myself, is going to be, I'll show you when we log in, is going to be the scenarios tab, giving you guys trade scenarios. Simple as this: buys and levels, bullish level, bearish level, scenarios. Scenario A, I'm looking for us to hold off of the 1 hour order block 75.57. CPI came in way lower than expected. Things are looking very bullish today. Scenario B, we hold the opening range breakout. We break 75.90 first. We pull back to a low volume area, and then we continue. Boom, I just gave you guys the key levels and scenarios in a matter of 30 seconds to a minute. Use this platform to be your morning mentor, to be your hands-on coach in that morning to help you build consistent routine and structure in your trading. That is the goal of this platform. And then, again, the whole point too of it being a one-time lifetime fee is so that you can continue to use your other platforms you use. Market AI, Quant Data, Bookmap, Edgeful, whatever it is you use, you could bake it into your structure with Morning Mentor. When you go to lock in and you lock in your plan, you go to your Confluence checklist. This is where you build out different checklists for yourself. You could build out an opening range checklist, ICT Smart Money, basic order flow. You could have a checklist that's only, here, if we go to this one right now, we do edit, we could delete a whole bunch of them here, right? And let's say you have a checklist that's only 4. That's fine, because if you check out 2, it'll tell you it's a partial stack. But once you start hitting 3 out of 4, 4 out of 4, it'll tell you it's a strong stack. And it keeps you on the right track, and it keeps you looking for the confirmations that you want to be and tell yourself you're looking for every single day. So that's really cool there. I'm very excited about this launch. No. Morning Mentor launched web-based. Let me grab that link for Jay there. But yeah, use it. And oh yeah, the reason I said too, when you log in and you run through just quick buys, scenarios, because once you do run through that, we'll see if I could find a day. I think the 16th was a good one. Yeah, here's the test. I hope it works. Key levels, again, 75.57. 75.90, if we're above 75.90. Bearish level, 7,600. 75.15, that's our previous day's high. Then say, okay, great. What's my bias? I'm bullish today. We're making higher highs and higher lows. And if you have any notes, you could also add notes. CPI was way lower than forecast and below its minimum. Great. Now again, when you're reviewing at some point, you're journaling, you're reviewing your trades, you're reviewing the outcome, you have it all there for you. Scenarios. So remember, scenario 1, push a hook. I'm looking for price to come back to 75.57. This is a higher time frame order block. and then I'm looking to target new high of day. Or again, the other one. Let's say the other one was, I'm looking for price to scale above 75.90 with momentum and come back to a low volume shelf for an entry. And just like that, you're prepared for the day, you're not forcing trades, you have your trade scenarios planned out, and if you want, you hit share and it saves it for you. Check this out, look how cool this is. Look at that. Bullish levels, bearish levels, bias, trade plan. And also, you could put a tag in there. You could make a username for yourself so it matches if you're on Twitter or Facebook or anywhere. Or Instagram. Then your trade plans. Trade plan 1, trade plan 2. Right there for you. Right there for you. Lock in your trade plan. Okay, here it is. You have option to share again. Lock in the plan. Then you want to check your confluence checklist. Now you're actually ready to take the trade. Okay, we're coming into that low volume shelf. Check, check. We're going over the trend and structure. Previous day trend clearly in one direction. Yes. Higher time frame structure. Yes. Price is not in the middle of a weekly range. Yes. Prior day higher low is nearby. Yes. We were looking at our prior day high. Pre-market higher low established and aligned with bias. Yes. Look at that. Pre-market we had CPI was higher. Weekly open above or below. I don't use this one myself, so guess what? I could delete it. Everything is customizable. I also have it, guys, so your bias, so you see over here we have bullish levels, bearish levels. Underneath it, it does offer previous day high, previous day low, pre-market high, pre-market low. You could change these too. You come up into the settings, you go to bias and structure, and you could change them. You can make them GEX 1, GEX 2, call wall, put wall, whatever it is you want. At some point, my goal, once Morning Mentor hits enough traffic, sees enough people, and is doing very well, my goal would be some type of screenshot scenario where you hit paste. Let's say you paste a screenshot of your chart, right? And you have your levels marked out. It'll automatically plot those levels for you. At the moment, you do have to plot them yourself, but as I've showed you, it takes all of 30 seconds to do so. So, very excited on that. It's been really cool. Really, really cool. Very exciting stuff. I'm happy that it's out. What else in it? It has review, so you could review last week, this week, monthly review, and same thing, you could hit share, takes a screen grab of it for you, gives you your weekly, and you can keep this somewhere too. Right now, it is 3 months back of information. If you don't have time to do all of this, which again really isn't too much, you hit fast prep. Right? Again, if you're a busy trader, you're someone who's busy, you work a little bit, so you can't fit too much time into trading, you still want to give yourself the opportunity to do a fast prep. What instrument are you trading? ES. What time frame are you on? The higher time frame buys? Bullish level, bearish levels, and your trade plans, and then you're good. Save and continue. You're all good. What else? Stats just sort of gives you some stat page. I will say, where is it? Charts. So you see this tab charts right here? I made this a special window so that it's just your screenshots and scenarios. So look how cool that is. So this was my scenario and these were my screenshots. So you go run through them. It is your go-to pre-market journal, market routine creator, and just overall journal too. It's really cool. I'm excited about it. Library, that just shows you your confluence stacks. You could create your own stack. And you can also share your stack. You can share your stack with somebody else. If I have a really cool one that you guys like, let's see, to share it, you're going to go to, you're going to lock in plan, confluence stacks, hit the library. Let's see. No published yet. Okay, so let's go to a stack and let's see, this one says, oh, why is this old? Interesting. You see how the stacks changed? Okay. But let's say we save this one. Edit. We're gonna hit publish. Sweep publish to your library. Here it is, right down here in my library. When you publish it, that's when you're able to share it. It gives you a weird code. You just hit copy code, send it to your friend, and they're able to paste it in their Morning Mentor as well. I sort of also made it so that, like, if people are in trading communities, they could use it. Like, okay, if trader A uses these confirmations, he could share it with his community, whatever the case may be. But yeah, real cool, guys. Really cool. Again, feedback is appreciated. Worked really hard on this, man. I've worked months on this platform. Back end, front end, tools, things you use on it. So that's my baby right there. Geez, aren't I glad I got out of those ES longs up here? That would have been a bit of a pain. Good work, good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Oh, you guys got to see. I bet you guys will like it. Those posts I've been posting out lately. Um, on Instagram. I started a new Instagram page and it's like flying right now. It's literally flying. It was at like 20 followers the other day. It's at 102 right now. So flying, it's doing okay. It's healthy. But I found a structure, a video structure that performs well. So I'm just going to keep doing that. Hopefully, again, we grow that out. We get more people in here, get more morning mentor users, get more people in our live streams. It's all about providing the best education, information, and streams. Good morning, guys. Let's see. Whole lot of nothing right now. Look at the weak volume we have right here. We had this big seller coming at this low. We reversed. Right now, small buy bubble, small sell bubble, small buy bubble, small sell bubble. We just got a headline right there. Where are we at? Headlines. U.S. officials say a few NVIDIA H200 chips delivered to China. Warsh asked what Fed would do if Trump criticizes him, says we'll do what data tells him. Right. Right. Anthropic offers premium Claude AI access to U.S. K through 12 teachers. Oh, guys, how do you like them apples? I just so happen to be a teacher. People try to get free Claude access. No crazy headlines. I will say this morning, looking at our net gamma exposure on quant data over here, we have had very large net gamma exposure, bullish exposure. When we have bullish exposure, positive net gamma exposure, it does normally lead to more range bound price action like this. It did have very high levels around, oh, here comes a spike, huh?
Yeah,
Yep.
something's going on.
Yep. There we go. Bye-bye. It's going higher. It wants that new high of day, man. I'm not buying these highs. You'd have to be crazy to try to buy this right now. Oh wow, this video is really fun. Oh no, it's not. It's the other one. Dude, this wants to haul ass to new high of day. Here comes some more headlines. Oh my god, what's going on? Trump says oil flowing thanks to US military. Right, thanks. Thanks so much for all you do, mister. Would rather see us above this 96 area and come back and use it as support. I'm not completely against longs on this minor pullback on the 5 minute here, but the last time we got a spike, you saw what happened, guys. We got the spike higher and then it pulled back. I don't want to be buying highs just for it to pull back on me. Looks good. CVD's pushing higher too. Again, it's definitely more for the bulls, but do we really want to be the ones buying highs? And the answer to that should be no. Teabag news. T-bag, Trump bag. Trump decided to replace 20% United States reimbursement fee with trade and investment deals that various Gulf states will be making into U.S. Hey, take care, Amity. Pump it some more. Trump announces full blockade on Iranian shipping. And then, yo, the market just like... Let's see. Nope, moving higher. Said not completely against the longs, but just buying high is just not ideal. But we do know buyers are the ones with momentum today. Excuse me. VIX new low of day, that confirms trend. Oh my goodness. NASDAQ climbing up, weighted index holding up. Yeah, I think this thing swings up towards 7608 is a good price target on the S&P. That's alright. Listen, man, it can move without me. That's fine, man. Markets are always moving, with or without you. Do not have the mindset that markets are moving without me. We saw it, we called it, we didn't take it, that's fine. Listen, I didn't take it. I shouldn't be saying we, maybe you guys took it. That's fine too. That's cool. I want you guys to be able to take trades independently.
It's look like if it goes higher, it might hit the ES around like 76.39 to 76.38 range.
You said 76.39? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, sorry, 29.
Oh, okay.
29 was previous day highs. Look like it's passing there and then going up to the put wall and call wall, everything together on the same place today.
Very good. I'd want to try to keep 96 as a possible stop loss if we hold this here. Let's see. There's a seller. So if we hold the seller, start moving higher, I'm going to be long S&P. VIX still trying to move lower for the most part. We have some orders. I'm going to take it lightly here. Again, 75, 96 stop loss. Just keeping it careful. And if it fails, it fails. Stop out for a small paper cut. If it holds, it holds. We're in for the trend. I do like these new orders that just formed up here. Sometimes they create close passive orders as price targets. The 5-minute just opened, no lower candle, no lower wick, but just be a little careful on this. We get a spike up or what? Come on, give us another spike. No, wrong way. Other way. Okay, so there's that lower wick that we were looking for, but I want to see these buyers take control again here. If they don't take control, I'm out right at that recent higher low that we created. Looking for higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high again. But if it fails, it fails. We're out. Ain't no stress. Gotta get that VIX moving lower again. Bro, these headlines gotta stop. Yeah, man. Getting some volatility in there. Be careful. I'm still bullish overall. This is still that area of support. I know I did stop out there. I do want to give it one more shot off this zone. Possibly keeping 93 as that stop loss, but even 94. Be careful. Be careful. I feel like getting in over here is a little bit chasing. But I do know that buyers have momentum today, right? We know buyers have control. We don't want to be going against them. We don't want to be going short, but that doesn't mean we want to take a random long. Yeah, looks like sellers are trying to give us a little spike here. There's a headline. Be careful. Low volume on this pullback, though, so I'm not seeing this as sellers trying to take control. I'm just seeing this as a pullback. Looking for these 5-minute candles to just continue green. We've had 4 green candles in a row, looking for that continuation. 30-minute gave us a nice rally, looking for the 30 to continue trend, break this recent high that we had. So just being patient on this. Wow, that's cool, man. I've never had like 2 trending videos at the same time, but it's pretty cool. Like one's at 61,000, the other's about to hit 10,000. That'll make up for the crappy price action today. Here. Come on, buyers. Run this up. Run this up. We have no sellers down here. Sellers are not interested in pushing price lower. Buyers take control. We rip onto the upside. Yo, what's up, Tom? How are you, bro? How are you? These sellers are struggling here, but so are buyers. Buyers are really refusing to step back in near this level, the 75.96. I really want to see the 75.96 hold with stops near 75.94 for a tight stop loss on this trade. Again, just following the general trend, knowing CPI coming out at such an extreme tends to give us more of a trending market. But if it fails, man. We can't force things. To take it for what it is. 5-minute closes in 3 seconds. 1 second. That's a tough 5-minute close right there. 15-minute also just closed. It's 11:15 right now. I think we might get a little bit of a pullback here. Be careful if you're in anything. I'd want to see that 30-minute continue. We have 15 minutes left in the 30. So I want to be long for the 30-minute candle to continue. So I want to see that 30-minute candle at least try to break that recent high and definitely try to stay above this line right here, which I will make dotted for us so we know what that is. It's like my line in the sand for the 30-minute right there. Bro, why isn't it letting me update that? There we go. Bit of a low volume area down here. Just stay a little patient. Getting some volume in there. Be careful. Here comes that pullback we were looking for. Hopefully. Yeah, a bit of a dip here. Feel like 91 would be a good line in the sand with a stop loss, like 90 over here. I'll tell you what, I would take stop at like 94 now and then look for a re-entry off of 90 versus moving my stop loss all the way down to 90, risking more and then taking it. But here we go. Here's that 93. Possible re-entry with absorption here. Small fair value gap. Very small though. A nothing fair value gap. Starting to see a little absorption here on ES. I like that passive buyer at 92. I like this passive buyer right here, 92. Trying to hold markets up. Let's see how we fill. Let's see if we get a big seller and try to reverse off that. Okay, there's 92. Again, a low volume shelf. We're in a low volume shelf right now. See that here with the book map. Right here. That low volume shelf ends around 90. 75, 90. If we break 75, 90, I'm not interested. Getting there. Let's see, be patient. Don't force it. Here's a bigger seller trying to form right here. Can we try to reverse off of that selling volume? We get back above 93, I'll look for longs. If we hang out down here too long and start breaking lower, I'm not interested. There's a little bit of a dive, nothing crazy so far. Minute 12 left on the 5 minute, so we're gonna let that play out. Timing in the market and timing the market. Big drop right there, guys. Big drop. Be patient.
Yeah, you got a drop on the Dow and the Nasdaq at the same time.
Oh yeah, so that's definitely gonna help ES, but hopefully that's pullback, right? Means for a pullback. So let's see. Still holding this
Yeah.
recent higher low.
You look at the VIX too, because that looks like it's at a support
Ooh.
area.
Good call. Well, VIX, in my opinion, looks like it could possibly be at a resistance point right here. Because this was support earlier, and we broke it. Now it's trying to hold it as resistance. Good call on the VIX. Again, if we hold
Finally
this...
got the right one too.
What's that?
Or finally got the right one. Our numbers match up.
There we go. That's a good thing. Moving a bit lower here. Line and sends this 83 over here. 83 is that recent higher low that we had. CVD's pulling back, not really selling off. Buyers trying to show themselves. Don't want to be jumping in too many times, taking paper cuts on this. We do have some passive buyers below us. So if we could start to hold here, that'd be great. 30-minute closes in 9 minutes and needed us to close above that yellow level. We just tapped that yellow level. I want to see a big buyer. If a big buyer comes in here on this rebound, I'm taking it long with that big buyer stops near the low. Nice, good reaction. Come on, give us a little follow through here. Let's take these buyers home. Take me home, buyer's home. New place.
Yeah, NASDAQ just pushed up again, so yeah,
Yep.
it came all the way down to like 29,830. It's already back up to 65.
Yep, and VIX trying to reject back lower too. This is great, looking okay for possible longs. Again, if you take it long, you do want light size today. We were in a very nice move earlier. We do not want to give profits back. We just want to stay patient. Nice, there we go. There's that big buyer. I'll take it light here with this buyer. Stop near this 88 down here. And again, just light, playing it safe, being careful, trading with the trend. Dow, VIX trying to move lower here too. Really got to see follow through of this buying volume. CVD trying to spike up too. Dear S&P, if you could start pumping now, that would be great. 7.5 on the 30 minutes. So this tells me that we have enough time to continue this rally for the next 7 minutes and then have follow through for the next 30-minute time frame. So again, buyers take control here. 30-minute time frame is supporting buys. 15-minute time frame is supporting buys. 5-minute time frame supporting buys. Even hourly struggling, but still has been all green, supporting buys, and at least supporting previous day high as a price target. So all these reasons to be long versus just trying to hold and force shorts. What are equities doing? Apple's pulling back, Nvidia new high of day, Google's pulling back, Meta's pulling back, Amazon's pulling back. A lot more weakness in equities at the moment, except for Nvidia, which is at new high of day right now, which is helping support the buys. Charlie Mike. Here we go. Nice, nice. Yeah, Nvidia's flying.
Yeah, I had the same thing there. Nvidia outperforming the others.
Beautiful. Bro, I said yo on YouTube in the comments, and for whatever reason, it translated it to O. Like I said yo, Y-O-O-O, and translated to O, O-H.
Yeah, it doesn't understand you.
Here we go. Come on now. Take this home. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's get that previous day high. Let's get these take profits out of the way so we can go enjoy the rest of our day. 30 seconds left on this 5-minute. I need it to close somewhere up here without creating a crazy upper wick. Like, I do not want to see us start dumping now for the next 30 seconds. That would be an unfortunate situation. 30 minutes got 15 minute has 5 minutes left. 30 minute has 5 minutes left. So like I said before when we had 7 minutes left, it's plenty of time for the 30 to get back up where I wanted it to be, and it is definitely trying to do so. Keep climbing, keep climbing, keep climbing. There are people on YouTube, man. You guys are getting a treat today. I wonder if Nolab would be cool with me sharing this YouTube stream link to the market in the morning. People to be like, if you want to keep trading with me, come join me here. I'm sure you'd be fine with that. I don't see why not. Still use market and stuff. Here we go. Look at these buyers, baby. Go, go, go. Go, go, gadget. New high of day. And then it just like dumps on us. I will say I'm not a big fan of the weak volume we're seeing on this climb higher. However, we are still more overall bullish, so I do want to see us scale back above 75.96.
That Dow 15 minutes starting to turn bullish.
Nice, good. Gotta get the VIX moving back lower again too. Weighted index is struggling a little bit here. Equities still struggling. Nvidia did make a new high on this 5-minute candle, but it is pulling back. got to hold and continue higher. It's got to hold, continue higher. Yeah, I love, man, how great market AI works with fundamentals, with the economic calendar and everything. It is beautiful.
Looks like a good education tool too to figure out like, how these scheduled economic events affect direction.
Absolutely, 100%, 100% it is. Got to get these equities back on the buy side here. There we go. Nvidia pushing higher. Apple's still struggling. So is Microsoft. So is Meta. Google's trying to push bullish. Amazon's struggling, but trying to push bullish too. There's a small pullback on Nvidia there. Just be careful. There are some headlines coming out right now. Let's also be careful on that. Kuwait says its armed forces engaging with hostile aerial targets. Yeah, okay. It's going to do a whole lot of nothing for our markets right now. 15 minute and 30 minutes. Still have 2.5 minutes to close here. Staying patient on that. Still bullish off of those time frames. If we fail, we fail. We stop out. It happens. If we continue, great. We're in a nice winner on the day. Another one. Looking at all these, look at these new levels starting to form up here. I want to see that as price targets to the upside. Areas we've been at already. Passive order sitting ready to get filled up there. Bro, I'm doing the walk away approach. I'm going to walk away for a quick second, grab a water. Let's see if markets continue or fail. Come on, continue. I'm walking away. I'm not looking. I don't care, market. That means you could keep going. There we go. A little push. NASDAQ pushing higher. That's what we like to see. Got to get the weighted index on the right track with us. Yo, TC Fader. What's up, bro? Good morning. How are you? Good to see you in here. ES means to be more seems to be more bearish. Not necessarily. I wouldn't say that. I'd say they're both pretty solid right now. ES wants 7602. $30 left, and it's lining up exactly how I wanted it to. Pumping at the last 20-30 seconds of this 30-minute candle and 15-minute candle. Take profit 7604. Take profit 2. New high a day, which is at the CPI high 7613. If we clear this high 7601, that'd be beautiful, baby. There's new 5-minute. Nice run immediately right there. Looking for a quick move. There's some volume. Pick up on that volume now. I will say NASDAQ's at a high. I will get out of a couple contracts here to lock in to play it safe. See if we could hit 7,600 for that first TP. Nvidia pushed a new high of day on that last 5-minute. Google's pushing higher now too. That's great. So is Amazon's joining the party. Wonderful. See if we get a run up right here. Don't struggle now.
Yeah, Nas pulling back.
I know. You know what? NASDAQ just tapped the supply zone again. It tapped it to a tick right there. Listen, man, I ain't complaining. A pullback's a pullback. It's gonna happen. I want to get out near highs. I don't want to get out on a pullback. I want to try to exit near 7,600. Some passive sellers up here, 7601, 7603. So I almost want to target 7603 instead. Get out with those guys. Guys, it's so cool to have you guys in here. I miss the community. I miss talking with you guys, having you guys and everything. Alright, big seller here. If we happen to reverse off this seller and try to break higher, I'd almost want to add to the position here and target 7607. It is 11:32. It's cool too now, you know, the streams, the trades we run a little later. Before I was running till like 10:30, 11. We'd call it a day. Now we're giving it a bit more time. Nah, alright, ES, you're messing around too much right now. Messing around a bit too much right here.
Yeah, Nasdaq's kind of pumping down a little bit.
See, got a 30-minute supply zone on ES at 7,600 from... Oh, no. That means I missed it. I don't have a supply zone from here. No, I don't really see that as a supply, but obviously it's reacting to it like it is. Let's see, July. I see the date you're talking about. I think you're referring to this candle right here. It could be a supply zone. I'm not too, again, it doesn't matter because clearly markets are reacting. I'm not too convinced on it, but again, clearly look how amazing that zone is and how markets are reacting. So, very good call on that. We'll see. We'll see how we react here. If we sweep this low now, 87 is stop loss. 87 is stop loss. We hold that. We're still on the trade. We did not make a higher high right here. The stream image has improved. Okay, good. I don't know why. I didn't change anything. Wow, that's crazy. This thing's really going to run to stop loss, huh? Tapped into that zone. Found a bid down there. The big red that came in, that's a bid. Those are buyers. So, let's see. Tell you what I'm not doing. I'm not adding. Yo, later, Ryan. Have a great day. Got a big 20 from that one. There you go, bro. Calling it a day. Listen, man. Slow and steady. One trade at a time. Journal it. Review it. See what you did right. See what you could improve on. And everything. Take care, bro. Be good. Use that morning mentor. I'll get you, shoot me a message if you already had the first version. And I'll get you guys the 100% code. Definitely really cool, man. I'm so excited about it. Again, I spent so much time, hours, and energy on it. Like, so much. When I say so much, so much. Like nights, long, long nights. All right, 5-minute time frame's not looking good for continuation here, which is unfortunate. Yeah, here it goes. That's crazy. But listen, man, it happens. It is what it is. That's why we got stop losses in place. Didn't hit take profit, reversed, is what it is. I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining because I know tomorrow's a new day. I know tomorrow's got better opportunities, right? And that's fine. Gold also, look at gold's price action today. It was also shitty all day today. So we had CPI, gave us a crazy move. I did catch this really nice trade on ES though, off of this big wild move right here. It was in this big candle. So, not a horrible day. I could have executed a little better on my end. But it is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's why we use tools like Morning Mentor, like Market AI. We get an idea of that range, of that expectancy. of that. Look at that, the net positive gamma, knowing that it's going to be a bit more range bound. That has been, since I've been using that aspect of it for like a week and a half now, been very, very accurate.
Got a lot going on tomorrow. We got PPI, Walsh talking it again,
When, tomorrow?
and BLC. Oh no, yeah, tomorrow.
Let's see, PPI
I got
tomorrow.
7:30 and 9.
Yeah. Cool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, on that note, I am wrapping up the stream right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Really great stuff. Great first stream with Market in the Morning. Great stream with you guys as well. Good book map information. Good questions on your guys' end. Good coverage of that morning mentor. I do hope you guys use it and take advantage of it. I do believe it to be a product that will make a difference in your trade. There's a reason I named it with mentor in the name, right? Because it's going to be holding your hand in the morning, making sure you're following your rules, your system, your strategy. So use it, utilize it, and I would appreciate any feedback on it, as I'm the one who created it. It's not just some random PDF. It's not just some checklist thing. It's a full morning routine, prep work, along with checklist, confluences, keeping you in line with your strategy and system, finding levels you look for, and again, just keeping you disciplined, keeping you routine. Think of it this way, it's forcing a routine. We always talk about routine creates consistency in trading. It's forcing you to do the same thing every morning because you're following it. You're following it. That's your morning mentor right there. You're following it. All right, everybody have a great rest of your day. I will see you all soon. I will see you all tomorrow. And yeah, take care. Peace.
Thanks, Cap. Later.
You got it. Later. Where is, what's it called? There we go. Peace out, YouTube. Have a great day. I'll see you guys all tomorrow.